Hello, today I want to talk about different ways to upload or have access to the data in the working environment. So here, for example, I'm in the R&D Cloud environment and we have different Jupyter environment option. I use a recommended one and create a Jupyter session. By using this link, we can have access to the Jupyter lab. And here I'm in the home directory. I use shared directory. Here, for example, in the sample notebook, they're all notebooks and data set and files. If I want to have like some other files here, there are different methods. For example, the first one in the Jupyter lab, there is a upload tool that I can use it to upload the files from the local computer to this Jupyter lab environment. For example, here I want to upload a sample notebook that I have it here. And this notebook I upload from my local computer. I can use it here and it will be like other notebooks that I have in sample notebooks. I can run it and it will have access to all the cluster resources in this R&D Cloud environment. Also, I can upload, for example, Python files. If I want to use this file, for example, imported in my other code or other notebook, I can have them here. And all these files should be single file. I cannot have a folder get uploaded. And if I need the folder, I have to first zip them or tar them and upload them as a zip file or tar file, and then use the Linux terminal to unzip them. So here I open the terminal, I go to this shared directory and then use the Linux unzip command. And here you can see I could unzip this zip file and have this folder with all contents in it. So this is one way to have the files from local computer to the working environment. The other way, again, using Linux to download from online resources. For example, I can use the wget command, and here I have, for example, CIFAR dataset. I can copy its address and paste it here, and then I can have it start downloading in this directory. So I can have files downloaded from online resources like here, this file, or I can have again curl command from the Linux dash using the curl. Basically, it's again downloading the same file from the same address. It downloaded overwrites it here. So there are two techniques, two commands from the Linux to download the files from online resources. If you want to get some files or the whole repo from the GitHub, we can use git clone in the terminal again. And for example, here I have an example GitHub repo, and I can just here copy the address to the clipboard, or use this address, the URL, and then paste it here. And as you can see, I just completely got this GitHub repo, and I have all the contents created here as a folder. And all these files either uploaded from the local computer or downloaded from the online or cloned from the GitHub. It can be available to anybody have access to this R&D Cloud environment with this namespace. And all the file will remain here. So everybody, even they create a new Jupyter session, that new Jupyter session will have access to same files. So basically there are 4 ways: either upload from the local computer, use the wget or curl to download from online resources, and use the git clone to get from the GitHub. Thank you very much.